ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਪੌੜੀ ਭਗਤ ਤੇਰੇ ਮਨ ਪਾਵਦੇ ਦਰਸੋਹਨ ਕੀਰਤ ਗਾਵਦੇ। In this Pankti, Guru Nanak Dev Ji describes devotees who are pleasing Waheguru Ji for his intellect and mind. And they do this at Waheguru Ji's door and do this over and over, praising Waheguru Ji by how they are so pleased. They sing over and over again using the word Gavate. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji describes this to be beautiful, that they're singing over and over again at Waheguru Ji's doorstep. Nanak karma bahare dartona leni tavade. In this Pankti, Guruji describes those who deny Waheguru Ji's grace and how they do not go to Waheguru Ji's doorstep like the devotees. Instead, they reject this door and they continue wandering without any purpose in mind. Just keep on going to other doors that are not of Waheguru Ji's. Ek mool na bujjan apna anhunda aap garnai de. In this Pankti, Guruji describes how those in the previous Pankti who do not accept Waheguru Ji's grace and actively deny it and do not go to Waheguru Ji's doorstep are not understood. Their origins are not understood and seems without cause. They just keep on displaying their own self-worth and their own self-importance over everyone else. Hor taddi ka neech jaat, hor uttam jaat sadai de. In this Pankti, Guruji calls himself the advocator for Waheguru Ji. He is just Waheguru Ji's sort of advocator and you can say hype man, where he just spreads Waheguru Ji's name and spreads the teachings of Waheguru Ji. And he calls himself low status or neech jat, meaning that he is of lower class, and in order to make himself smaller, in order to make himself more personable. And he describes how others call themselves high class or high caste, and they do this in order to flaunt their ego, in order to show off. These are the ones who sort of don't believe in Waheguru Ji because that idea makes them feel small. So in order to enlarge themselves, they stop going to Waheguru Ji's doorstep. And this is important to understand because this is why Guru Nanak Dev Ji calls himself small, because he does not believe that he is up there and supreme. He believes that there's Waheguru Ji that governs all and that makes everyone neech. Tinhe mangan je tujhe tiainde, tin mangan je tujhe tiainde. In this Pankti, Guruji wraps up the entire Shabad. Guru Nanak Dev Ji has already described himself to be low class as neech jat, and has described others to think of themselves as high caste or uttam jat. And Waheguru Ji knows that such people that think they're uttam jat are the ones who do not come to his doorstep and are not those who are the bhagats. And through that, it is ones who are like Guru Nanak Dev Ji that we should strive to be, as those are the ones that are able to go to Waheguru Ji's doorstep. Guruji in this last Pankti describes how he wants to be with such people, those bhagats, instead of these people who think of themselves as uttam jat. He wants to be with the bhagats, and through that he finds that he will become one with Waheguru Ji. And that is what we should strive to do. We should strive to be like the bhagats, go on to Waheguru Ji's doorstep and sing beautifully, as that will make us one with Waheguru Ji. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.